So our Civic Type R is back on our Dyno packs. We are torture testing it. And why are we doing that? Because we're testing our oil cooler.
When we took this car to racetrack, we learned a lot of things. One, the oil gets wicked hot.
We're putting it through some really grueling tests. We're getting it pretty hot.
And what we've done with our oil cooler is a couple neat features. The bracket itself is designed as a bit of a funnel to help kind of catch that extra air and scoop it and utilize the factory air oil in this car and dump all that hot air into your wheel well so it goes right out the back of your car.
We actually have thermal imaging of the airflow through the cooler, after the cooler, up over in the fender liner and out the factory vents.
This particular package works with everything that's inside of your car. So all of the Mishimoto products that we offer work hand in hand with one another.
So from all our racetrack testing, we saw the need for an oil cooler. So we engineered an innovative solution that had a dramatic effect on cooling.